All right, y'all, we're gonna be doing a little bit of creek fishing, getting some bait for bass fishing later. Oh, looks like I got one on right now. I'm gonna set y'all down, see if we can't get him. Yes, sirree. Got a little one. Should be good for some bass fishing. Got a little creek chub there. Oh, dropped him on the camera. Throw him in the bucket. All right, y'all, so I know this wasn't a very eventful YouTube video, but well, today wasn't the best day for fishing. We got the whole pond froze over. Couldn't get any bass on the old rod. But next one's gonna be a little bit better. Hopefully a lot better. I'll try to come back to this pond, actually maybe hook up to a 10-pounder. But I did shoot some cool underwater videos. I'm gonna put those in the video. Just a little short video. Make sure to like and subscribe, y'all.